Alright, we're in Walmart. We're buying stuff for the cars. Right now we're at the polishing section. Drake's looking at some polish for the GTO. No sponsor. Sadly. Drake, you need towels.
Hey, if you guys out there want to sponsor us, just let me know.
McGuire's. Need a towel. I could use some of this for the truck. Alright, Drake, that's all you need from this section?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm also gonna get some stuff for the truck. I don't know exactly what I need, but
How's this stuff turn out?
we're gonna go look for some stuff for the truck. Drake, what'd you find? What are you getting?
This is all the stuff we got so far.
Just trying the GTO.
Just some cheap turtle wax stuff. That one's upside down. Scratch X 2.0. And this is just compound.
Alright. Drake, you want a license plate thing?
Dude.
Drake, look at this.
Whoa, that's bright.
Could you get these?
Check this out.
Are you thinking interior glow for the GTO?
Dude.
Leave a comment. Do you think we need to put interior glow in the GTO?
Oh, that'd look awesome with that red paint on the inside.
If we get 15 comments saying that you need to put interior glow in the GTO, you have to do it, okay?
15 comments.
Just a new line. Yeah, 15 comments, guys. Hear that? If you can get 15 comments saying put underglow in the GTO, we will. We'll put red underglow in it. Right. I need sandpaper. And I need some cans of gloss paint. Maybe 3. Would you say 3 for all the wheels?
Yeah.
I need maybe like 2 cans of flat. What else do I need, Drake?
Gray.
I also got some gray paint I want to buy right up here. So, yeah. My hands are full, so I'm going to go find a bag. I grabbed this cart and was just like sitting alone in the aisle, and I grabbed it, started walking away, and this Walmart employee just comes out of nowhere and starts scowling at me. Drake, did you see that? She thought I stole somebody's shopping cart or something, I don't know. But, I mean, there's only like 2 people sitting right next to it, and it was just sitting there empty. I mean, like, it definitely wasn't their shopping cart. It couldn't be. Nothing in this shopping cart. Like, there was a purse in it, but I just, like, put the purse on the ground and walked away with it. I mean, there was nothing inside, though. Like, nothing from the store. I mean, there was, like, a baby in there or something, but I just put him on the ground with the purse and walked away. I don't know why she was scowling at me so much. Alright, so I got the painter's tape that we needed. We got 2 rolls. That should be good. And we also found this rack of the 50th anniversary of Camaro. So I'm looking through these, and these are pretty sick. And there's a 69 Camaro. It's a 67. I probably just offended a bunch of people right now. I'm gonna get that, because that's kind of cool.
Are kind of weird.
Camaro people are kind of weird. I've talked to some at car shows, and they always get really offended if you say one thing bad about their car. I mean, not that I go up contradicting people about their cars, but I've seen it happen several times.
It's just kind of weird.
Okay, I got this rust stop because I want to paint my floorboards, but there's rust on my floorboards, so I'm going to use this rust stop and I'll paint over it. And I know that a bunch of people are going to freak out about that, but honestly, I really don't give one for your opinion. Alright, we were walking, we hit another Hot Wheels section. I can't refuse to stop at a Hot Wheels section. This one's quite a bit bigger than the last one.
Dude, that's a red line.
55 Chevy.
Dude, it's a Cougar.
I'm gonna buy that too. Okay, I'm sorry, Camaro, but you gotta go bye-bye. I only buy 1 Hot Wheels car per trip, and I like Cougars more than the Camaros, so... I
think you just offended old people.
I just offended more Camaro people. That's lame. This is where it's at. Look at this thing. 70 Charger.
Just stop.
With the off-roading kit and a giant spoiler. That's where it's at. They like riced out and off-road a
Thunder Trucks?
Thunder Trucks.
Thunder Trunks.
Thunder Tracks. Okay, moving on. Alright, so we got the stuff we need, and we're gonna go hit the checkout aisle. Alright, so I got checked out. Drake's waiting in the car, listening to music. We're gonna get out of here.